And we're back to learning Photoshop in the year day 146. And let us go over the face tool in detail. Press Ctrl J here to copy the original, and I'm on the layer for the right image. Then I go to Filter, Liquify. And you will find the face tool down here. So by default, this forward warp tool is active. Simply select the face tool, third tool from the bottom. And all of the adjustments made can also be done right here under Face Aware Liquify. Already went over face shape, but I haven't shown you here, for example, eyes adjustments. If you hover over the eyes, you can do that with a left click drag, or you simply use the sliders. For the eyes, it's separated between left and right. And for nose and mouth, we've got more adjustments. Yet again, you can hover over it and left click drag to adjust it, or use the sliders. Then we go here for the most extreme, like an alien look. And in the last tutorial, I've already shown you the face shape adjustments. One more thing to add here for the forehead, you have to be careful when you go down. It's gonna transform the upper corner of the image a little bit. So this is something that you have to correct, for example using generated fill. Once you're happy with your adjustments, just confirm you're OK. And it's a smart filter, so you can simply double click on it and then readjust it. And this is how you can use the face tool in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.